Technical Corner today, we're chatting with Jeff from PSL Datatrack. Your software is an off-the-shelf system, but I'm going to say to you about collaboration because you work with your customers.
Well, yeah, the idea is the customers are the ones using it on a daily basis. We're supporting it. We see a totally different view.
Right.
So where they have a demand for change, talk to us, we'll work through a solution.
Okay, so when they have a demand for change, you can do it individually for them or for the whole of the
Yeah, exactly.
your
Yeah,
customer
so
base?
it could just be a documentation issue
Right.
that they've got to adhere to a customer demand.
Yep.
It could be it's more to do with the user interface. They need some additional functionality the system doesn't have, in which case we'll work through with them exactly how that should work or needs to work for them.
Right.
That can be a feature that only they use, or it could become a standard feature. It may be a feature that's already there, they don't have active.
So it's part of your wish list, essentially.
It is part of the wish list, yeah.
Okay. Now, documentation, well, I'm going to say the B word, which is not documentation, obviously, but Brexit has had an effect, and that ties in with that side of things.
Well, it has. Certainly this year, what we've seen is customers' demands
Right.
for certain statements on documentation.
Yep.
Those have been put into the system so that our customer doesn't have to remember to keep putting those statements on manually. So we automate that process.
We said about consistency, but every single status board is different.
Certainly, yeah. At the point a customer inquires about adding status boards, our first question is going to be why? What do you want to gain from it? Every board is configured to exactly their requirements. We have to add value, otherwise what's the point of having it?
Okay, so you won't actually sell it to them if they don't really need it. You know, it could be just a bit of vanity. Don't need it.
No, we want to make sure that it's productive for them, that it really does do something.
Okay, so there you go. PSL Datatrack, adding consistency but difference to every single machine shop.
Consistent variation.
There you go. Jeff, thank you very much.